Alright everyone, and welcome to yet another unboxing and setup of the Google Mesh Wi-Fi system. This is going to be set up across my whole house, so we'll see how it works, how the setup is, how difficult, easy it is, and let's get started. Alright, and there they are. I'm not sure if I'll set up all three. Maybe I'll set up two and that'll be enough because their coverage is a lot. Oh wow, and it has a USB-C charger, so that's really impressive. I really want that. I guess that's WPS button. That's only one. That is the most minimalistic and surreal design of any product that I've seen for Wi-Fi. I love it. Just look at the setup. I mean, Google, seriously, those people have outdone themselves. This is the product information. We don't need that. We know what it is. I guess. And that's it. Those are the instructions. Simple, easy. Okay, and the three chargers. Wow. Oh, is that category 6 cable? Yep. Wow, so USB-C and category 6 LAN wire. That is impressive. So three chargers. Nice. Oh, and wait a minute. Okay, so that's for the main router. Yeah, that's for the main router connection. There's no more cable. Okay, that makes sense. We should have gotten three though. It would have been fun. Alright, let the setup begin. That's our router slash modem from AT&T. Alright, let's get this powered up and let's begin the setup. So through the main modem or router, it goes through the green, I guess, green pin, green side, I don't know. It goes through that, so that is connected through router, and this will be the main hub of the mesh Wi-Fi. And then the second one, that plugs into a computer or a laptop or anything. And there it is. Now it's trying to connect to the main router or modem. Meanwhile, let's begin the setup, or let's continue the setup in our mobile devices. Oh wow. Okay, see, it's things like these that really are great. Now, so here we select where it's at, the location in the house, because it's office, yeah, and next. Okay, here you name it, so it's, I guess, easy to recognize where the device is. All right, and so we can add, I don't know how many points, like 4. Huh. Yeah, I guess we'll do 2 for now, not all 3. So let's see. I'll set up that outside of this video, but for now, let's do none, all done, or yeah, let's do none, all done. And blah blah blah. Yes, next. Come on. Get exactly about announcement, product, and now that depends on you. And after it installs the software, I guess it's gonna take what, 6 to 10 minutes, and we'll be done, hopefully. And voila, it is ready. Right, let's begin the setup, or for the setup of it. Alright, let's test internet speed. And there are a lot of different options that you guys can go through, and I will go through everything, but you can pause and look at it. But it's good to explore the whole app. There are a lot of good options for port forwarding and for gaming and everything. Oh wow, so yeah, that's pretty impressive. We can stream 4K content. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. When I did with the AT&T, it did not give me 4K content. It it gave me an average speed. So yeah, it does help, I guess, somewhat. And this is my second Wi-Fi mesh point. This is connected to my Xbox directly, so I'll have much better speed. It's the same procedure. I don't have to use the green wire or green port right now, but I'll have to use the blue one because this is the mesh Wi-Fi. And let's get that setup started. It's the same procedure as the first one. It's just add the Wi-Fi point. That's it. That's the difference. That you add Wi-Fi point. You don't set up as a new one, and that's it. I guess it's the same procedure where it is, and installing the drivers, installing the software, and it's gonna take about 6 to 10 minutes. It says 5 minutes, but it can vary. But yep, let's see where it goes, and we'll be up and running for the second Wi-Fi mesh system, and we'll test the speed then.
Go.
And one of the more cool things that I found is the brightness. You can adjust the brightness and everything to modify it really. And that'll be all. Until next time, take care. Peace out.